we're situated in. That it's a bad sign when you hear comparisons to ice like we were just listening to and earlier back in the 1970s. And as we were just listening, this is a storm all to itself because Harvey is actually going to stop for days. Not far from where it is right now. Harvey has a forward motion right now of 10 miles per hour. And boy, I wish it would keep that forward motion at 10 miles per hour, but it's not. It's actually going to stop. It's going to go to zero and park right over the coast this weekend, and that's when the catastrophic flooding sets up. I'm sorry to say, in kind of a triangular area from Corpus to San Antonio to Erie.
Mr. Michael Brown.
Yes, let's talk right now. Michael Brown, you remember, of course,